Dreams and nightmares are a universal human experience, occurring during the rapid eye movement, REM stage of sleep. While dreams can be vivid and imaginative, nightmares are distressing dreams that often evoke fear, sadness, or anxiety. These nocturnal experiences are closely tied to our subconscious minds, reflecting unresolved emotions, daily stressors, or deeper psychological concerns. For most people, nightmares are occasional, but when they become frequent, they may signal underlying issues such as chronic stress, anxiety disorders, or even physical health conditions like sleep apnea. Understanding the root causes of nightmares is essential for addressing them effectively. Emotional triggers, such as trauma or significant life changes, can manifest in unsettling dreams. Poor sleep hygiene, like irregular sleep schedules, excessive screen time before bed, or consuming stimulants, can also contribute. Keeping a dream journal can help identify recurring themes or patterns, providing insight into potential triggers. In cases where nightmares persist and disrupt daily life, seeking guidance from a sleep specialist or mental health professional is advisable. These experts can offer tailored strategies, such as cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI, to improve sleep quality and reduce the frequency of distressing dreams. By addressing both the emotional and environmental factors, individuals can foster healthier sleep and mental well-being. Nightmares are unsettling dreams that can jolt you awake, leaving you feeling anxious or afraid. While occasional nightmares are normal, frequent occurrences may signal deeper issues. Trauma, whether recent or from the past, is a common trigger as the mind processes unresolved emotions during sleep. Certain medications, such as antidepressants or blood pressure drugs, can also disrupt dream patterns, leading to more intense or distressing nightmares. Additionally, sleep disorders like REM sleep behavior disorder, where the body acts out dreams, can exacerbate the problem, making nights feel chaotic. Symptoms of problematic nightmares include vivid, emotionally charged dreams that are hard to shake off upon waking. These dreams often center around themes of danger, helplessness, or fear, and they can interrupt sleep multiple times a night. The resulting exhaustion affects daily life, leaving you tired, irritable, or unable to focus. To better understand these episodes, keeping a dream journal can be useful. Recording details like the dream's content, emotions felt, and any real-life stressors can reveal patterns and potential triggers. Recognizing these connections is the first step toward managing nightmares effectively. Improving sleep hygiene is one of the most effective ways to reduce nightmares and promote restful sleep. This involves maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding stimulating activities before bedtime. A dark, quiet, and cool room can significantly enhance sleep quality. Additionally, establishing a relaxing pre-sleep routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Limiting exposure to screens, which emit blue light that disrupts melatonin production, is also crucial. Devices should be turned off at least an hour before bed to minimize sleep disturbances. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety, which often contributes to nightmares. These practices lower stress hormones and prepare the body for rest. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, specifically designed for insomnia and nightmares, is another powerful tool. It helps reframe negative thought patterns and addresses underlying emotional triggers. For those with persistent or severe nightmares, professional help from a psychologist or sleep specialist may be necessary to explore deeper causes such as trauma or sleep disorders. Medication adjustments might also be considered under medical supervision. Small lifestyle changes, like reducing caffeine and alcohol intake, can further improve sleep quality. Avoiding heavy meals close to bedtime and engaging in regular physical activity, though not too close to sleep time, can also make a difference. Keeping a dream journal to track patterns and triggers provides valuable insights for both self-management and professional consultations. By combining these strategies, individuals can take proactive steps toward better sleep and fewer nightmares.